In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted bookmarks on Google Chrome. We'll explore a few methods that can help you recover those important links you may have accidentally removed. Let's get started with the simplest and quickest solution first. Imagine this scenario. You have just accidentally deleted a bookmark. It's a common mishap, but don't worry. There's a fast way to fix this if you act quickly. If you're still in the same session where you deleted the bookmark, you can press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on a Mac right away. This handy shortcut works wonders by undoing the last action. It can be used in the Bookmark Manager or directly on the Bookmarks bar. This method really shines due to its immediacy and simplicity, so keep it in mind whenever you face this situation. Now, let's say you didn't catch the mistake right away, and pressing Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z isn't an option anymore. No worries, because there's another method you can try, especially if you have been proactive in the past. If you have previously taken the precaution of exporting your bookmarks to an HTML file, you can use this backup to restore your bookmarks to their former glory. Exporting your bookmarks means you've saved them as a separate file that can be easily accessed and imported when needed. To get these bookmarks back, we'll need to import the file you saved. Start by opening the Bookmark Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+Shift+O on Windows or CMD+Shift+O on a Mac. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, look for the three-dot menu icon located somewhere around the top right. When you click on it, you'll find an option that says Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click that option, and it will prompt you to choose the HTML file that contains your bookmarks. Simply select this file, and Google Chrome will proceed to restore all those valuable links you thought you'd lost. It's always a good idea to periodically export your bookmarks, just to have that extra layer of security. It might save you some time and distress down the road. These methods we discussed prove useful because they offer quick and realistic solutions to what might seem like a daunting problem. That's it for today's guide on restoring your deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome. By following these strategies, undoing immediately with a shortcut or using a backup HTML file, you ensure that your important bookmarks are never truly lost. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy browsing!